Hi, my name is PV. Today we are going for a Scala case classes, and here I started creating case classes, and class name is a person, and person is having name and age. And when you define case class, you just use case keyword before the class name, and uh, this is just a case classes. And if you know the parameters are the field, so here these the parameters are in case classes field. Like in constructor, we usually pass the field, right? And here we are creating person name James and age is 20, and if you would like to print vim dot name, so we can directly print the name, using in traditionally Java we used to this getter and setter method to set the variable name. So but in case classes you don't need to define it, so automatically do. And second thing I would like to say, in the traditionally classes, if you want to convert the variable in the string representation, you have to use two string method, but in case classes it directly will print. Let's run this one. And third thing is equal to and hash code is implementation is out of box, right? So let's check here. And the fourth things I would like to say is the case classes is having one of the equal and has code implementation is out of box implementation. So out of box I define here, so I would like to define here case class have one of the handy method which is called the copy methods, right? The handy methods case classes have. So if I want to copy, so I would like to say Jim, and we already have vim. I give the vim dot copy. You can just directly copy, and you can change the age or name anything you want. Like I want to change 30, so this is what we can do. And if I like to print, so let's print value of this variable gym3, and let's see the results. What will happen? And case classes have a comparison objects, as you know that I would like to discuss those things. Case classes have comparison object person and person. You can do the comparison kind of objects, right? I think that's it from the case classes. So this is false and this is the previous names. This is how the case classes is working in the Scala, and this is very important. Yeah, case composition object. Yeah, composition object also they have. Directly you can use case classes. You don't need to define. Let's say I want to create a new the person, right? Any name I have defined, and here I can directly say the like this one. So this is called new composition object. And same way I can define Mary equal to person Mary, Mary, and her age is 10, right? And here is equal to new. Yeah, it will come like this way. So thank you for watching.